In this video, I will show you how to stop autoplaying videos in Facebook app. So let's get started. If you don't want Reels to start autoplaying in Facebook app, then here is how to disable the feature. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap Menu located at the top right side. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. Now scroll down and under Preferences section, tap Media. Now under Autoplay, select the option Never Autoplay Videos. This will disable autoplay feature. So that is how you can stop autoplaying videos in Facebook app. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.